Hello and welcome to the JS AI Buildathon. Are you ready to level up from JavaScript developer to AI engineer? Then you are in the right place. In this buildathon, you will embark on different developer quests designed for JavaScript and TypeScript developers curious about AI. If you're worried because you have no prior experience with AI, don't worry, we got you. This is for you. You might be wondering, okay, I'm interested, but what exactly will I be learning? You will go through 9 different hands-on quests, learning from building your first local AI prototype to how you can deploy production-grade AI applications on Azure. Along the way, you'll learn how to integrate AI into web apps using GitHub Models, explore tools such as LangChain.js, Azure AI Foundry, Azure Developer CLI, and so much more. What are some of the quests you'll be going through? You might be wondering that as well. We have 9 different quests, from the first one where you start building a local AI prototype using GitHub Models without any Azure account setup needed. And then from there, we now introduce you to Azure, how you can migrate your prototype to the cloud with Azure AI Foundry, and then go into deployment. And lastly, you'll go through other AI milestones such as using MCP servers, building your first agent, using frameworks such as LangChain.js, and of course, adding external data. And the last question you might have is, how exactly do I get started? Head over to aka.ms/JS AI Buildathon, where you will find the repo and everything you need right in there. Fun fact is, we also have a Discord community. So right in the repo, you'll find access to the Discord community, as well as interact with different Microsoft Learn student ambassadors who are hosting the events right in their schools all over the globe. Are you ready? Because I am.